Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to review the Fanimation Slinger V2. Here it is, a 72-inch ceiling fan. You can use it outside in damp areas, which basically means a covered outdoor area. Comes with a light. You can actually have it without the light. It comes with a metal cap, which you can put in instead. And a remote, which is this little guy here. So let's turn it on. There's 6 different speed settings. It also has the light, which you can turn on and off. You can dim the light if you want. The remote also has time settings, so you can get it to turn off automatically after 1, 3, or 6 hours. And you can reverse the speed, reverse the direction of the fan as well. So it's running at full speed, which doesn't seem super fast, but it does produce a lot of air. It has 9 blades, so it's pretty good flow. I've put together a lot of fans, and this one seemed kind of complex initially because it has a lot of wires and it has a lot of blades, but actually it was fairly easy. One of the fans I put up in the past, you had to assemble the whole thing on the ground and then attach it to the ceiling, which was really difficult. This one's not like that. You attach the mount, then the rod, then the motor, and then the fans go on one by one. So it's fairly easy to do it. Just took me an hour and a half, I think. So it looks pretty great. I like it. It's very modern looking. I think it looks better in reality than the picture, to be honest. Those blades are made of ABS plastic, so they're not going to degrade, they're not going to rot. One nice thing about the remote, it comes with this little wall-mounted holder, so I haven't put that on the wall yet, but that's the idea. You can put it up on the wall. One thing, since I installed it on a sloped ceiling, it does come with a 6-inch down rod. That would have been way too close to the ceiling at the edge of the blades, so I did switch this out with a 12-inch. That was not included. You have to buy that in the store, and they're about $10 a piece. So pretty good. It's $300. Not the cheapest fan, but it's a nice fan, and yeah, I recommend it. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.